Hello friends, how are you doing? Welcome back to the lesson optional chaining. What is optional chaining? And before we go to the today's topic, I would like to say if you didn't like, please subscribe. If you didn't subscribe, please subscribe and like our videos. And before optional chaining, you have to watch the second part of the optional part of the this series. Otherwise you won't get anything from these tutorials. So I would actually give the link in the descriptions so you can find it that easily. And so let's talk about what is optional chaining. So optional chaining is the way by which we try to retrieve a value from a chain of optional value. Let us take the example and that will make more sense for us. So I'm going to take a class here. I did not discuss class yet, but it's a simple syntax. Just remember like this, and we will go thoroughly in the upcoming lectures about class and structure, class and initializer. So just take it as simple. I've given the name of class person, and here we have a variable name which is of type string, and I'm assigning it to empty string. And now in it, this is a constructor, and we will discuss this initializer in the upcoming lecture, so don't worry about that too much. Uh, and here self dot this self dot this name, let's suppose this name, and equal to the name which we have declared above with empty string. That's it. This name is this, and self dot name is this. Now we have assigning the value to this variable, and this is the our person class. Now we have to define another class. I would say that a class, and let's call it school class, where we have a variable called manager of school, and that manager is a type of person, of course, and he is an optional. So it is as simple as that. We have a person class, we have a name variable, and we have initialized that variable in that class by initializer. We will discuss these classes and initializers in the next lecture, don't worry about that. And we have a school class, and we have a declare a variable called manager, which is a type of person class, and it is an optional. So now let's create an instance of school class, and now create the variable of person class, and now try to access the director property of an school class. So school do director or sorry manager equal to, and before that we will actually we have created a person class, and that has the uh, let's this person, and we will actually take a parameterized constructor this, and here we have to define the name of the uh, person. This is the name, and my name is Ali, and this is my name. And now we will try to access the manager property of a school class. and assign it to person. It is showing null, you can see here. So, and let's now try to access the property name of the director or a manager. School dot manager dot, and then we will take a name of uh, we go to school class object, and then we have picked the manager's property, and now we want to take the, because manager is a type of person, we want to take the name of a person, so name. And as soon as I type the name, you can see the optional mark comes here. Question mark means optional. It means it's an optionals and in the chain. So how do you unwrap this? This is this is very critical, because sometimes it will throw an error to you when it will not have the value, and it will have a null. So you have to typecast it very, you can say, safe manner. So how do you typecast that in a safe manner? So let's take how it will be typecast. So if let name equal to school dot manager dot name, if name contain the value, then it's great, we will print it. The manager name is, and we will print the name. But if it is not contain value, what will we do that then we will just simply print a message that, simply copy and paste, and the manager is not assigned yet. It's very simple. So this is how you can actually get the value from the optional chaining, because it contain classes, and inside the class it has another class object, and which is optional. So let's summarize this once again, what we have discussed in this. And this is very actually confusing topic all time in Swift, because it 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 wants much practice. So we have declared a class here called person, which has the name property, and we have in a slide that property with the name, what name will comes in the constructor. And we have a class, a school class, and we have a manager property, and which is of type persons, and it has an optional value. It may or may not contain a value. So another steps we have done is, we have construct a school class object, we have construct the person class object, and assign the person name. In this case this is Ali. And then we have access the property of the name. Then we have assigned it the school managers. uh, we have assigned the person object to school manager variable, and then we try to access the name of the managers. So school dot manager name dot, manager dot manager dot name will, as soon as we type this, the optional comes here. And we have handled this by safely unwrap manner. It is called safely unwrap manner. And we have, if the manager name contains the variable or value, then we will print this, otherwise we will print the a message here. So this is all about optional chaining, guys, in this tutorial. If you like, please subscribe. We upload the video on this channel around 2 or 3 in a week. So about Swift development in Hindi, we have a 3 or 4 playlists right now. SQL server in English, SQL server in Hindi, technical support in Hindi, and Swift in English and Swift in Hindi. So thank you guys for watching these tutorials. If you like, please like, give a thumbs up, and subscribe to us for further more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.